Hi guys, let's make toilet cleaner together. So this is the chlorine I'm going to dissolve in water. After dissolving the chlorine, I'm going to cover it and allow it to dissolve properly. I will now dissolve my sodium sulfate in water also. Then I'll dissolve my soda ash in water. Then I'm going to dissolve caustic soda in water. Then dissolve the SLS in water. So every chemical I'm dissolving in water, I'm going to keep them aside for them to properly dissolve under 3 hours. And this is the nitrosol. I've dissolved it in 15 liters of water. I'm going to add my caustic soda, add my soda ash, add my sulfonic acid, making use of 50 cl, add my SLS, add my sodium sulfate. Now I want to add my chlorine, but I'm going to filter it so that the particles don't enter into our production. Now add the hydrogen peroxide, then add the HCl. We are going to keep this for 48 hours, that is 2 days. After 2 days, this is the result of our toilet cleaner. I'll add my color. After color, I'm going to add fragrance. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to share, don't forget to follow me, don't forget to like this video. Goodbye and have a lovely day.